Hello guys, good evening. This is Suhail Khalik Pinzari. Today's date is 17th of March 2022. Today I am discuss on the topic if is soft skill is soft skill is important than technical skill. So this is a big question, and this question answer is in my opinion it is a soft skill is really so much useful in our all career and in our all life, because if we have lot of technical, we known about lot of technical things, and we we have a lot of technical knowledge, but if we does not have we does not have any soft skill, means we does not have manner how we can speak in our with our colleagues or friends or our family members, and that at that time our technical skill is does not matter we how we have in a how we have a technical knowledge, because if simple thing, if we speak with our friends and if we speak rudely with them, so they are hating of us, because no one no one like rudely behavior. So in our companies, industries, or our workplaces, or our school, colleges, in that, so in that soft skill is very matter. Soft skill plays a very important role, play very important role, because in a present we see, if we want to apply some company, and at that time this company takes us our aptitude reasoning test, and after technical test, it is this company conduct our soft skill test also, and after it if we place in the company, after it company gives us a soft skill sessions for improvement our soft skill, because soft skill is so much and very important in our life, on in our working areas, on in our companies. So this is all about soft skill. And if we have a technical knowledge, but this technical knowledge is only and only for me, and after it technical knowledge, and this technical knowledge is help me for a growing me in my career. But soft skill, if I have does not a lot of thing, does not know lot of thing in a technical way, technical views, but I have a soft skill, so it is also help me us help me to making my career growing glowing, because if we speak with a politeness with my colleagues or my other friends, at that time at that time my positive at that time my positive image is created on their minds, and they are respect respects me, and respects our, because we are polite in our nature, and if we rude in our nature, at that time they does not respect us. So this is all about soft skill. This is all about soft skill and technical skill, and in a my opinion, take soft skill is a so much soft skill is a so much useful in our all daily life, and technical skill is it does not means technical, I does not say if you have does not any technical, if you does not know about any technical skill, but with a technical skill you also want a soft skill. So we if we connect if we connect our soft skill with our technical skill, so very it's give us a very glowing career in a future. So this is my opinion all about soft skill is better than our technical skill. Okay, thank you.